Good morning, children. Have you all safe at home? Do you all like the online classes? It is useful for you? Yes. What we all learned? Coordinate geometry. Yes. 1 month long, 4 weeks we are learning coordinate geometry. Yes. Yes. In the coordinate geometry, what all we learn? Area of the triangle. Yes. Anyone, can you say? What all we learn? And slope, midpoint. Now we are learning general form of the straight line. When the equation is given, how to find the slope and the intercept. Yes. So here we get equation is given. We have to find out what? Slope and the intercept. What is the general form of the equation? General form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That we learned last class. Yes, this all I am going to only recall for you. That is the general form. 1 point form. 1 point given and the slope is given. We learn y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Slope given and the intercept is given. Y is equal to mx plus c. Do you remember? Okay. What is the 2-point formula? Praveen, can you remember what is the 2-point formula? Yes. Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. What is only the intercept form? Only intercept is given. Deepak, what is the only intercept form? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Okay. Yes, that also we learn. When the parallel line is given, what is the condition? When the perpendicular line is given, what is the condition? When the parallel line is given, what is the condition? Godwin, can you say Godwin? M1 is equal to M2. When the perpendicular line is given, what is the condition, children? Akshaya Shri, M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. Very good. Okay, children, we learnt all the formulas. Yes. Now we are going to apply the sum. Okay, shall we see that? Okay. Yes. Now we see, find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line joining the points. A is minus 4 comma 2 and B 6 comma minus 4. Children, once again I read you. Find the equation. What you should find out? Equation. What you should find out, children? We have to form an equation of the perpendicular bisector. What is the perpendicular bisector? Of the line joining the points. Okay. When the line midpoint is, we say what? It's a midpoint. Yes. So here we have the point is given 6 comma minus 4 and minus 5 comma 2. We have to find out what? Bisector. We have to find out the bisector. Bisector means what you should find out? Midpoint. What is the midpoint formula? John Kevin, what is the midpoint formula? Can you say? X1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. Yes. So, perpendicular means the line will pass through the midpoint of the line segment. Okay. What is the perpendicular line? The line is there. The line exactly intersect the midpoint. That is called the perpendicular bisector. Okay, children. It is bisector at 90 degree. Okay. So, we have to find out the midpoint. Children, first we are going to find out midpoint. So, what is the midpoint formula? Midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So, the points are minus 4 comma 2 and 6 comma minus 4 because that 2 points. So, x1 is minus 4, y1 is 2, x2 is 6 and y2 is minus 4. Shall we apply in the formula? Yes, apply in that formula. So, we get minus 4 plus 6 by 2, comma 2 minus 4 by 2. Listen, children. Minus 4 plus 6 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay. Here plus, here it is a minus. So 6 minus 4, which is the greater number sign? Pass it. 6 is the greater number sign. This is the negative number. What to do? Different sign, we have to find out the difference. So we get what? 2. Then get cancel. 2 minus 4, which is the greater number sign? Minus is the greater. So minus 2 by 1. So we get the point 1 comma minus 1. This is what point? Midpoint. This is we got midpoint. Okay children, after getting the midpoint, what you should find out? What you should find out? Tell me. We have to find out the slope of the same line. Because why we have to find out the slope? We have to form an equation. But that line passes through the midpoint. So we need the midpoint first. Then we have to find out the slope. So slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is the slope formula, Maheshwaran? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So apply in that, we get minus 6 by 10. So the slope is minus 3 by 5. But we need what slope? Perpendicular line slope. Yes, actually this is the slope of the line. But we need what? Slope of perpendicular bisector. So slope of perpendicular line is, okay children, what is the slope of perpendicular line? I told you many times. It is minus 1 by m. It is minus 1 by m. So we got the slope minus 3 by 5. So minus 1 by minus 3 by 5. Minus minus get cancelled. Okay children. When minus minus get cancelled, we get 3 by 5. What is the reciprocal of 3 by 5? 5 by 3. Now you know the midpoint. You know the slope. We know the midpoint. We know the slope. Now how to form an equation? Which formula you will use? Tell me. Which formula? One point is given, slope is given. Which formula? Keshav, which formula? Can you say? Equation of the perpendicular line. What formula? We have to form an equation. So, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Yuvraj, do you remember 1 point formula? What is the y 1 point formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So, we know y1 is minus 1. So, y minus of minus 1 is equal to 5 by 3 into x minus 1. Apply in the value. Okay children, what is the point of intersection? The point of intersection is 1 comma minus 1. Slope is 5 by 3. Slope is 5 by 3. Apply in the equation children. So you get y plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3 into x minus 1. So this 3 goes this side. Yes. So division change into multiplication. So we get, what do we get children? 3 into y plus 1 equal to 5 into x minus 1. We get 3 into y plus 1 equal to 5 into x minus 1. Multiply 3 into y, 3y. 3 into 1 plus 3. 5 into x, 5x. 5 into minus 1, minus 5. Always we write x's as the positive. So, take y and the constant to the next side. So, 5x plus 3y change into minus 3y plus 3 change into minus 3. So, we get 5x minus 3y minus 5 minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, 5x minus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Have you all understood children? It's a little bit long sum, 5 mark sum. You work out, it is easy. Okay children? Okay children, we continue this problem. Exercise 5.4, question number 9. Find the equation of the straight line through the intersection of lines 7x plus 3y is equal to 10, 5x minus 4y is equal to 1, and parallel to the line 13x plus 5y plus 12 equal to 0. Children, it's given two lines, equation of two lines. How is it given? So, we have that intersection of two lines, that is one equation is 7x plus 3y equal to 10. Another line is 5x minus 4y equal to 1. Both the lines intersecting the point is here. We should find out this point of intersection. But the next line is parallel to this point of intersection, that is 13x plus 5y plus 12 is equal to 0. So, first you should find out point of intersection. How will you find out the point of intersection, children? How will you find out the point of intersection? We have to find the value of x and y. So, we learned last year, 9th standard, we learned it in the algebra simultaneous equation. How to find the, when two equation is given, how to find out value of x and the y. So, first you have to think, the first equation is 7x plus 3y equal to 10, and the second equation is 5x minus 4y equal to 1. See both the coefficient, anything same? It's no first. But how can you eliminate? When you eliminate, at least x or y, anything must be the same coefficient. Yes? Here 3, here 4. So, can you delete this? Can you eliminate this? No. Yes? So, children, what you will do? What you can do it? You have to make it into a what? Same coefficient. So, we have to same coefficient means what you will do? Equation number 1 fully you will multiply by 4. Equation number 2 fully you will multiply by 3. So, we are writing equation number 1 multiplying by 4 throughout the full equation. So, 7 4s are 28x and 3 4s are 12 and 10 4s are 40. So, consider equation number 1. Next, second equation 5x minus 4y equal to 1. So, you are multiplying by 3. So, 5 3s are 15x, 4 3s are 12y equal to 1 3 is 3. Now, see the sign 1 plus and minus. So, how it get cancelled? When adding itself it get cancelled. Yes. So, you are adding equation number 1 and 2. So, when you are adding, y get cancelled, you get x. So, 28 plus 15, 43x, 40 plus 3, 43. So, from this, you get the value 43x is equal to 43. Therefore, multiplication change into division, x is equal to 1. Hope you all understood, children. How to, now you know how to eliminate? Yes. Now, how to find the value of y? Now, you know the value of x, equation number 1 or equation number 2, you can substitute the value x is equal to 1. So, when you substitute in the equation number 1, so what is the equation? 7x plus 3y is equal to 10. So, apply the x value. X place, you apply the x value. So, 7 into 1 plus 3y is equal to 10. So, 7 ones are 7. So, the plus change into minus. So, 3y is equal to 10 minus 7. So, 3y is equal to 3. So, multiplication change into division. So, we get 1. So, the point of intersection, x value is 1, y value is 1. Therefore, the point of intersection is 1, 1. Children, now you know how to find out point of intersection. Now you got it the point of intersection. But that line is parallel to 13x plus 5y plus 12 is equal to 0. For this equation, you have to find out the slope. How will you find out the slope? Coefficient of x by coefficient of b. So you get, make it 5y, keep this side, rest of the terms taking to the next side, minus 13x minus 12. So divide by 5, minus 13 by 5 into x minus 12 by 5. Because this line is the parallel line, slope m is equal to minus 13 by 5. So now you got the point of intersection, you got the slope. Now can you make a new equation? Yes, the point of intersection is 1, 1, slope is minus 13 by 5. So how can we form an equation? We know the slope, we know one point. So what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So apply in that place, children. Y minus 1 is equal to minus 13 by 5 into x minus 1. So 5 taking this side. 5 into y, 5y. 5 into minus 1, minus 5. That is equal to minus 13 into x, minus 13x. Minus into minus, plus 13 into 1, plus 13. So you take everything one side. So minus 13x change into plus 13x, 5y plus 13 change into minus 13. So minus 5 minus 13 minus 18. So children, the required equation is 13x plus 5y minus 18 is equal to 0. Children, hope you all understood. When two equation is given, how to find out the point of intersection, how to find out the point of intersection, and then how the line is parallel to that line. Suppose when two point of intersection, whether it is perpendicular, what you will do? Find the slope, make it into a perpendicular, that means reciprocal, find the reciprocal, then you can use the same method. I think, hope you all understood, children. Assignment is given, children. Exercise 5.4, 7, 10, 11, 12. You work out, children. Thank you. Have a good day.